What are the 11 amazing scientific research-based Om chanting benefits? Hello and welcome to the lindyyoga.com podcast. Have you ever chanted Om or heard others do it? There's something special about the sound that just resonates at a profound level, even if you don't know anything about the word or what it means. I registered it the first time I heard it. Though I couldn't say exactly what was so special about it, I felt an instant calmness wash over me. It was grounding and energizing all at once, like a soothing caress upon my soul. As it turns out, this effect is just one of the many Om meditation benefits. Over the years, I've learned more about how chanting Om affects people from an intellectual and experiential standpoint. Chanting Om works whether it's done silently or out loud, and its effects are amplified when multiple people chant together. The following is a summary of what I have learned about the Om vibration and the benefits of Om meditation, from traditional teachings, my own experience, and recent studies. I have also included some tips to help you get started with your own practice, if you want to try it out for yourself. What is Om? What is Om? Om is a sound, a vibration. It is a sacred sound and a spiritual icon in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. It is a mantra in Hinduism and Buddhism. The syllable Om is referred to as the Parabrahman in the Vedas and Upanishads. What does Om mean? Om is a sacred sound and spiritual icon in Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Sikhism. It is a mantra in Hinduism and Buddhism. The syllable Om is referred to as the Parabrahman in the Vedas and Upanishads. The word Om is an ancient and sacred word from the Eastern spiritual traditions of yoga, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism. Om is also spelled as Aum. Pronouncing Om involves a progression through the three sounds of Aum. Unlike other words, the unique quality of each sound emitted when the word Om is intoned is what makes it so special. These sounds arise as an uninterrupted vibration that begins deep in the throat with A, hovers over the tongue with U, and culminates with bringing the lips together for M. We don't have to do anything to make these sounds, other than vibrating our vocal cords as we open our mouth and bring it to a close again. And all other sounds we can make are contained within these three most basic vocal seeds. Thus, Aum is known as the primal sound, and it's considered to be the primordial, ever-humming sound of the universe. The Om vibration as sacred sound. And when we close our jaws and teeth to make the sound M, we push the vocal vibration out through our lips and end the sound the way our life comes to an end. Thus, the sound M references the destructive force of the universe. Spiritual tradition sees the three sounds that make up the mantra as representing the three forces by which the universe and life is expressed. The sound A is seen as representing the creative force, U the sustaining force, and M the destructive force. The M sound at the end of Om represents destruction because it is the final sound. Once we close our lips, the sound cannot change anymore. To make a different sound, we have to open our mouth again and start from the beginning. What is Om meditation? Om meditation involves repeating the sound Om, either out loud or internally. Many people use a mantra that begins with Om, followed by other Sanskrit words. Some people also repeat several Oms by itself to close their practice. The repetition of a mantra is called japa. You can set aside dedicated time to repeat your mantra, or you can simply repeat it anytime, anywhere. One common way to do this is to use a mela, or strings of beads, to guide you through the completion of 108 recitations. Read the full article on www.lindyyoga.com. and discover the 11 amazing scientific research-based Om chanting benefits.